Hi there, it's Ernest from Astute. Happy New Year! In this video, we're doing something a little different. We're going to share with you some of our goals for 2018. With the new year comes the opportunity to set goals. This year is no different. Since we officially launched our channel in spring of 2017, we've grown in both our subscribers and our aspirations as a channel. So today, we wanted to share our goals for this year. First off is drone footage. You may have noticed that we've been posting more drone videos lately. We actually got a drone in June, but we haven't had a chance to fly it. It also doesn't help that we live in Los Angeles, which has a lot of restrictions in terms of both airspace and filming. But we did get a chance to take our drone with us on a recent holiday trip to Europe, and I'm slowly getting more confident with flying it. I still get a little paranoid flying around people, but I'm definitely getting over it. I'm also working on my FAA Part 107 license, which will allow me to fly commercially. So I'm definitely interested in getting deeper into drones and incorporating them into our videos. Our second goal is to do more giveaways. We ran a giveaway last year when we reached 1,000 subscribers, and we were shocked at the number of people who entered. We would like to do regular giveaways on this channel. It's a great way for us to generate some buzz on our channel while also giving back to our community. Our third goal is community videos. Our focus last year was getting a solid mix of our core videos, which includes travel tips, destination and gear reviews, and points and miles tutorials. That's not changing in 2018, but we're going to add some community and behind the scenes videos as well. Since we feel like we're part of a community here on YouTube, we want to be able to share more about our daily lives. I don't think we'll ever become a vlog, but you're going to see more videos where we share personal details on what's happening in our lives. Our fourth goal is to move toward 4K video. One of our technical goals for 2018 is to start producing content in 4K. We currently produce most of our content in 1080p HD. This means some significant upgrades in hardware, so it might not happen until the end of the year. I know my current MacBook Pro can barely process 1080p at 60 frames per second, so I'll probably need to invest in a new laptop. But we think that making the investments now will not only position us for the future, but also make our content more vivid and interesting. Our fifth goal is to create more videos on Los Angeles. I've been toying with the idea of producing more LA specific content for a while. Most of our time is spent in LA, so it makes sense for us to create content that reflects our hometown. While we promise not to overload the channel with LA only content, you'll likely be seeing some more videos to help those of you who live or are visiting LA. Things like where to fly a drone in LA, how to get to the Hollywood sign, and our favorite hikes are topics that we're exploring. Our sixth goal is to do collaborations. We have yet to do an official collaboration, but it's something that we really want to do. There are so many awesome YouTube creators and channels, so we want to find ways to do a fun project together. If you've got a channel and you're interested in collaborating with us, please let us know. We'd love to work with other creators. Our seventh goal is to grow our partnerships. This is an interesting one for us. As we've grown, we started to get more brands and services looking to partner with us. You'll notice on our website that we now have partnerships with Bankrate, which provides credit card offers, and World Nomads, which is a travel insurance provider that we've used many times in the past and highly recommend. We want to be completely transparent with you that we do get paid from these affiliates. However, our promise to you is that we will not partner with products or services that we don't personally use or believe in. And we won't ever create content for the sake of pushing products or offers. In terms of travel, we're not quite sure where we'll be traveling this year. We'll likely be traveling for a couple of weddings, so we're going to try to combine vacations with those trips. And those are our New Year's goals for 2018. What are your goals for this year? Let us know in the comment section below. We want to thank you all for your support. Without all of you, we wouldn't be here planning how we can create more valuable and fun content in the new year. So we are grateful for this community. We hope you have a wonderful start to your year. Until next time, travel safe, travel smart.